So friends, very often there is this huge push towards registering yourself as an organ donor while one is alive, happy, kicking, normal, so that the wishes could be honored if at all that person becomes a potential organ donor. While conceptually it is extremely good, and I think it has its very, very good merits, but the process for which that can actually be utilized to its full potential has not been established yet in our country. While a lot of agencies take up donor cards and donor pledges, and they do submit it to the National Organ and Tissue Organization, NOTTO, in the center, to retrieve that information, there has been no process set in. Neither is it Aadhaar linked. Some states have come out with a driving license linked organ donation wishes to be expressed. However, that is not universal across the country. And I think until it becomes universal across the country, where we are able to retrieve the wishes of the people who are potential organ donors, I think this process of registration is not going to help in increasing the donor pool. While it might bring about an awareness into the organ donation, but still, as I said in my previous video, the burden of shouldering the responsibility of saying yes to organ donation, if that remains on the relative's shoulder, then you are going to get a no as an answer more often than not. However, if my wishes were known and the relatives were given that wishes in a written format, for example on a driving license or Aadhaar link or a Noto card link which can be retrieved from the website, then that burden of taking that decision suddenly gets relieved from the family member's shoulder. And they would then think that let us keep up with the wishes of our loved one. Rather than actually taking a decision, now they are taking a decision for the wishes of the loved one. And you will get more and more yes. I think registration myth needs to be very, very clear. Even if you register, make sure that you go and tell your near and dear ones at home, your wife, your kids, your husband, your parents, whoever it is, who you feel are the most nearest and the important people in your life, make sure you tell them your wishes that you have registered as a potential organ donor. So that in unfortunate circumstances, you do become a potential organ donor. They are able to keep up with your wishes. They are able to honor your wishes. They are able to respect your wishes. And they don't feel the burden of taking a decision for organ donation, which can be very hard. They are losing a family member, and on top of that, to take that decision can be extremely hard. So the decision is already made by you, then to honor that decision becomes an easier process. Understood? Thank you very much.